Y'all, I got another unboxing. Just came in. See if this is clear. Yeah. This was 44 shipped. eBay. As usual. Receipt. There we go. Vans. Ambush skateboarding. Ambush sticker. Stickers are always dope. Oh dang, these are green, y'all. I thought this was like beige when I purchased it. But these are the Vans Pro with the Ultra Cush inside. Close up. But yeah, you got the Vans on the inside, Vans on the back with the gum bottom. So this is Ambrosia white. Ambrosia, I guess it's like an off-white green. So yeah. I mean, it's dope. But I just thought it was off-white, but I guess it's got a green tint to it. It's nice though. It's not too green where it's like fruity, but it's like a light mint. Pretty dope. Brand new. Haven't bought brand new shoes in a while. It's like always used, but yeah. Skate shoes. If y'all like the last skate video I uploaded, just a quick sesh of the New Balances, and let me know if you want a skate vid of this. I know I had Vans Pros before, but they were a size 8. This is 8.5. So hopefully these are better, fit better on my feet. But yeah, if y'all like it, let me know. You don't, God bless y'all.